Say sit.
Sit.
Say sit. Sit, Colby. Colby, say sit. You're okay. Say sit. Colby, say sit.
Sit.
No. Don't hit the camera. Colby?
Colby.
No. Say sit.
Colby, are you sure you and that kitty aren't related?
Let's Colby after making a big mess. Uh-oh. Oh, that goes. Don't put that there. There's Colby. Colby, wave.
Wave to the camera.
Wave. Colby, wave. Right here. Colby, right here. Wave. He's waving. See, he's waving at you guys. Colby, look at me. Colby. Wave. No? Okay.
Can you put these away? Again.
No more spelling gum, Colby.
Ah, Colby. No. Ah, Colby. Colby,
That's Colby and Kaylee.
You made my iPod go out the window.
And Colby's being a little butt again. He's tired. He needs a nap. But we're in the car, so I don't know if that will ever happen. It will happen on the way home, though. What was that? I don't know. Colby, say sit.
Colby, say sit. Say
Sit.
Josh's girlfriend's name is Krista. Did you know that? Hey, stop it! Oh, I have one game. This is Colby's game.
What game?
You smashed the ant.
Pleasant, right? You smashed an ant.
Colby.
Look at that. He's like enjoying it here.
Oh, that's... You hit the beat.
I just tapped it.
Colby, you're killing me. Ooh. Hold on.
I was gonna put it up there. Oh, hit him in the face.
No. See, Colby, look. It's her. Woo! How long is this auction supposed to be?
Right now.